welcome back. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day. As you can see from the description below, today we are unboxing the April and May Love Goodly box. I really enjoy this subscription. It is amazing. It is a vegan and cruelty-free beauty and skincare subscription, which I think is fantastic. And this was very kindly sent to me for review to share with you guys. This is the second time I've done this, and I think it is just amazing. A little bit about the subscription. It is a bi-monthly subscription, so it's just every other month. It is $34.95 with free shipping. I do have a code if you would like to use it. It is Love Southern Mom, and that will get you $5 off your first box. So you'll pay $30, and I know that the retail value is over $80 a month, or every other month with these boxes. So you definitely get your money's worth, and like I said, being a bi-monthly subscription, it's really not that bad. So we're gonna dive in here and see what the April and May box is all about. I've got some stuff piled up over here. All right, so we are going to get it open. One thing that was fun with this particular box is I do know there is a lipstick in here because they had 3 different shades and you're actually able to choose what shade you want. So that was nice. All right, so we open it and this is what we see. It says Love Goodly and it says please recycle or reuse this box. So here we have that with our card telling us about everything. And looks like there's a little Bright Cellars, like a wine, little gift card type thing. And then we have some squiggly, so I'm going to move those. Get this so you guys can see a little bit better. Okay, so this is what we see inside the box. So let's take a look at our card, which is right here. It does tell us about each of the products and their retail value. So this box has a value of $105. And again, this box is eco-friendly, non-toxic, vegan, and cruelty-free, which is fabulous. So we are going to, let's see, it says, hi lovelies, live a stylish and cruelty-free lifestyle. And again, this is the April and May 2019 box. So let's just dive in. The first thing I see here on top is from Chicka Pop. This is actually always really good. It is the sea salt popcorn, so a little snack, which is nice. Real simple ingredients, nothing fake. We all love popcorn, or at least I do. Everyone in my house does. So that has a $2.50 value, and it did say there are assorted vegan flavors, which is great. And then, now this is interesting. Wow, this is really interesting. Okay. So this is from Alka White. This is a turmeric natural tooth whitening mouthwash with essential oils, spices, including coconut oil, anti-acid. It says whitens teeth and freshens breath. It's fluoride free, but it's little tablets that you drop into a glass of water. And it says it is safe for children. It's for adults and children 12 years and older. It says place 1 tablet in 2 to 4 ounces of water and let dissolve for 30 seconds. Rinse for 30 seconds and brush teeth vigorously with remaining solution. It says check pH prior and after use. Note tablet does not need to be fully dissolved before rinsing. And then right here are 15 little strips from the Alka White that will show you the, I'm guessing like the acidity, the pH, the salivary pH. So that is really neat. It says best results test in the morning or 2 hours after eating. Wet test strip with saliva and wait 2 seconds. Place against chart and color match. So that is interesting. I am intrigued a lot by this. And this is a $9.99 value. I'm going to read the description just to give you a little bit more information. It says a unique mouth rinse tablet with turmeric is a tooth whitening system that safely whitens teeth. Rinsing and brushing with the portable effervescent tablets creates an alkaline oral environment, which strengthens enamel, freshens breath, and makes teeth less sensitive. The combination of turmeric and coconut oil is an antimicrobial and anti-inflammation. Pieces of the tablet can be broken off and used directly in the mouth or drop a whole tablet in warm water. Brush the remaining paste to whiten teeth and prevent plaque buildup. And this is vegan, non-toxic, cruelty-free, gluten-free. That is so intriguing to me. I'm really excited to give that a try. So that is something I've never seen anything like that. Have you guys seen a product like that before? That just seems so awesome. All right, so now let's move along. And we have from Dillio Organics, Creme de la Creme Body Whip. So it's like a body butter. Creme de la Creme Body Whip is $21.99. Your body is just as important as your face. This is a beautiful, lightweight body cream that will provide hydration and a sheer glow, leaving you with a warm, embracing scent of cinnamon, sugar, and vanilla. Ooh, yum. Softens and refines skin texture, paraben-free, organic, lightweight, and effective. Provides a healthy glow to your skin. Vegan, non-toxic, and cruelty-free. All right, so I wanna. Oh, it's like, I love that. You can tell it's like, even though it's a body whip. Okay. Oh my gosh. Y'all, that smells. That smells so good. Like, that smells like a dessert or something. That is fantastic. So I'm going to give this a try. Oh, it's like already soaking into my skin. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Y'all, that smells amazing. Oh, and my skin feels so awesome. And it does kind of, it just looks so moisturized that it's like supple and like glowy. That is awesome. I love that. Yes. Okay, so we have 2 more products. And this was one of the ones that I knew about. This is one of the lipstick, and you were able to pick between 3 different colors. This is Fruit Pigmented Cocoa Butter Matte Lipstick from 100% Pure, and it is a $30 value. An innovative formula that ensures your lip color always looks vibrant, rich, and full, never dry. Formulated with healthy fruit pigments and a nourishing blend of cocoa butter, shea butter, and vitamin E to moisturize while providing intensely rich color. It's available in 3 colors: aubergine, cacti, and Sahara. Vegan, non-toxic, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. And I picked the color Sahara. It was kind of a nudie, peachy pink color. The packaging on this is so cute. Okay, I was gonna open it to show you guys, but it has a safety seal on the package too. So let's get that off. It doesn't want to tear off. Okay. That right there should also show you how, even though my skin feels so soft, it's not greasy from that body whip that I just put on, which is fantastic. But yeah, the packaging on this is so cute. It's really pretty. And then here is the color. Oh, that is so pretty. And it went on so soft. That is gorgeous. I'm excited for that guy. So, yay for a very, very pretty lipstick. All right, and we have one product left. This is also from 100% Pure. This is their Bamboo Blur Powder, poreless and skin perfecting. And this is the outer packaging. This is a $41 value. Blurring skin perfecting powder for all skin types provides sheer to light coverage and makes your complexion look silky and poreless. Mattifying setting powder made in a base of bamboo silica and colored from fruit pigments. And it just says, it gives you the directions on how to use it, but it's a blurring setting powder, so we kind of all know that. And then it's vegan, non-toxic, cruelty-free, and gluten-free, which seems to pretty much be all of their items, which is fantastic. All right, so here is the package. Okay, so it has a safety seal on it. I'm not going to open it right now just because I don't want powder going everywhere. But it's a, blur powder, setting powder, which is great. So this is fantastic. And obviously it is full size and we can always use a setting powder. So that was the April-May 2019 Love Goodly box. Like I said, this is a vegan, cruelty-free beauty subscription. You get skincare, makeup. These teeth whitening tablets have me so intrigued. I can't wait to try those. So again, it is $34.95 every other month. It is, like I said, bi-monthly. And I do have the code Love Southern Mom that will get you $5 off your first box. So I will put the link and the code down below. So definitely head over, check them out. I think it is absolutely worth it. These products are amazing. Let me know what you guys think down below. I hope you have a fantastic weekend, and I will talk with you guys with the next video. Bye.